In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Calendar dark mode. If you spend a lot of time working on your computer or simply prefer a darker interface, this guide will lead you through the steps to switch your Google Calendar to dark mode. It's a straightforward process and I'm here to make it even easier for you. First things first, we need to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account to have access to your calendar. Once you're in, you'll be faced with all your scheduled events and reminders laid out before you. Now, to start the transition to dark mode, shift your eyes to the top right corner of the page where you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon symbolizes the settings in many interfaces, and in Google Calendar, it's your gateway to customization. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to look for an option labeled Appearance. Selecting this option will take us one step closer to the soothing dark interface we're aiming for. Now that you're in the Appearance settings, focus your attention on the different modes available. You'll see several options to choose from, but the one we're interested in today is simply labeled Dark. Click on it and you'll notice your Google Calendar immediately transform into a dark mode, offering a sleek, modern look and a respite for your eyes during those late night browsing sessions. Once you've made this selection, take a moment to appreciate the new view. It's crafted for comfort, especially if you're someone who often works under dim lighting, but we're not finished just yet. Before those changes are set, you need to ensure they're saved. At the bottom of the settings menu, you should see a button labeled Done. By clicking this, you're confirming that you're happy with the changes and locking in that preferred dark mode. It's the final click that ensures everything stays the way you want for future visits. And there you have it, your Google Calendar is now in dark mode. This simple method not only changes your viewing experience, but also adds a touch of personalization to your daily planning. If at any time you want to switch back or explore other settings, you can always revisit the gear icon. Thank you for joining me in this easy step-by-step guide. Enjoy your new Google Calendar interface.